getting dragged. This is gonna be sketchy. Going into the rocks with hay dudes. Oh. Let's see if we can get that slack back. Oh, he's running. He's running. He is running. Oh my gosh. Oh. Come here. Come here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my goodness. What a big fish. I don't even know what he is yet. I don't know what he is, but he's massive. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I got him on this rod and not my other rod. It has to be a big bull, freaking red. There's no way that it's not. Oh, come on, baby. Oh. He is pulling my shit right now. Oh. Oh. He does not want to come in, man. He does not want to come in.